Popcorn, a beloved snack enjoyed by people of all ages, has long been associated with movie nights and casual gatherings. However, this humble treat is much more than just a tasty indulgence. It's a nutritional powerhouse packed with surprising health benefits that can boost your overall well-being. In this video, I will delve into the remarkable nutritional profile of popcorn and explore how incorporating it into your diet can support various aspects of your health. Popcorn is a whole grain snack that offers a unique combination of fiber, antioxidants, and essential nutrients. Unlike many other snack foods, it is low in calories and fat when prepared without excessive butter or oil. This makes popcorn an excellent choice for those seeking a satisfying yet relatively guilt-free treat. As we journey through the various health benefits of popcorn, you'll discover how this classic snack can contribute to weight management, digestive health, anti-aging efforts, and even heart health. So, grab a bowl of freshly popped kernels and let's explore the surprising wonders of this unassuming superfood. Nutritional benefits of popcorn. Popcorn is a nutrient-dense food that packs a punch in terms of its nutritional value. Here are some of the key nutrients found in popcorn. Fiber. A single serving of air-popped popcorn contains around 4 grams of fiber, which is a significant amount for a snack. Fiber is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system and promoting feelings of fullness, which can aid in weight management. Antioxidants. Popcorn is rich in antioxidants like polyphenols, which help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. These antioxidants have been linked to various health benefits, including reduced inflammation and a lower risk of chronic diseases. Vitamins and minerals. Popcorn is a good source of several vitamins and minerals, including vitamin B6, manganese, phosphorus, and magnesium. These nutrients play crucial roles in various bodily functions, such as energy metabolism, bone health, and nerve function. Whole grains. As a whole grain food, popcorn provides complex carbohydrates that are broken down slowly, providing a steady supply of energy. Whole grains have been associated with a reduced risk of various chronic diseases, including heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. By incorporating popcorn into your diet, you can enjoy a delicious snack while also benefiting from its impressive nutrient profile. Popcorn's role in weight management. Contrary to popular belief, popcorn can be an excellent ally in your weight management journey. Here's how this tasty snack can support your efforts. Low in calories. A typical serving of air-popped popcorn, around 3 cups, contains only around 100 calories, making it a low-calorie snack option. This means you can enjoy a satisfying portion without consuming excessive calories. High in fiber. As mentioned earlier, popcorn is a good source of fiber, which can help promote feelings of fullness and satiety. Fiber-rich foods like popcorn can help you feel fuller for longer, potentially reducing the urge to overeat or snack excessively. Satisfying crunch. The crunchy texture of popcorn can provide a satisfying sensory experience, which can help curb cravings for unhealthy snacks. By satisfying your craving for a crunchy snack with popcorn, you can avoid reaching for calorie-dense options. To maximize the weight management benefits of popcorn, it's essential to prepare it in a healthy manner. Opt for air-popped or lightly oil-popped varieties, and avoid excessive amounts of butter, salt, or other high-calorie toppings. Popcorn's impact on digestion and gut health. Popcorn's fiber content not only contributes to weight management but also plays a crucial role in promoting a healthy digestive system and maintaining gut health. Here's how popcorn can benefit your digestive well-being. Promotes regular bowel movements. The insoluble fiber found in popcorn helps add bulk to your stool, promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. This can help maintain a healthy digestive tract and reduce the risk of related issues like hemorrhoids and diverticulitis. Supports gut microbiome. The soluble fiber in popcorn acts as a prebiotic, feeding the beneficial bacteria in your gut. A healthy gut microbiome is essential for proper digestion, nutrient absorption, and overall immune function. Reduces inflammation. The antioxidants and polyphenols present in popcorn have been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help soothe and protect the digestive tract from inflammation-related issues like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and inflammatory bowel diseases, IBD. By incorporating popcorn into your diet, you can support a healthy digestive system and promote overall gut health, leading to improved nutrient absorption and a stronger immune system. Popcorn's potential anti-aging properties. Popcorn's nutrient-rich profile may also contribute to its potential anti-aging benefits. Here's how this tasty snack can help you maintain a youthful and vibrant appearance. Antioxidant protection. The polyphenols and other antioxidants found in popcorn can help neutralize free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to the aging process. By combating oxidative stress, popcorn may help reduce the signs of premature aging, such as fine lines, wrinkles, and age spots. Skin health. The vitamin E and other nutrients present in popcorn can help nourish and protect your skin, promoting a healthy and radiant complexion. Additionally, the anti-inflammatory properties of popcorn may help soothe skin conditions like eczema and psoriasis. Cognitive function. The presence of vitamin B6 and other B vitamins in popcorn can support cognitive function and help maintain a sharp mind as you age. These nutrients are essential for proper brain function and may help reduce the risk of age-related cognitive decline. While more research is needed to fully understand the anti-aging properties of popcorn, incorporating this nutritious snack into your diet can certainly contribute to overall health and potentially slow down the aging process. Popcorn as a source of antioxidants. In addition to its potential anti-aging benefits, popcorn is a rich source of antioxidants, which play a crucial role in maintaining overall health and well-being. Here's how the antioxidants found in popcorn can benefit your body. Protection against oxidative stress. Antioxidants like polyphenols and vitamin E found in popcorn can help neutralize free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can cause damage to cells and contribute to the development of various chronic diseases, including cancer, heart disease, and neurodegenerative disorders. Anti-inflammatory properties. Many of the antioxidants present in popcorn have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation has been linked to a wide range of health issues, such as arthritis, autoimmune diseases, and even certain types of cancer. Cardiovascular health. The antioxidants in popcorn may help protect against oxidative damage to LDL, bad cholesterol, which can contribute to the buildup of plaque in the arteries and increase the risk of heart disease. Additionally, the anti-inflammatory properties of popcorn may help reduce the risk of atherosclerosis and other cardiovascular issues. By incorporating popcorn into your diet, you can benefit from its antioxidant content and potentially reduce your risk of various chronic diseases associated with oxidative stress and inflammation. Popcorn's effect on heart health. Beyond its antioxidant content, popcorn may also offer several benefits for heart health. Here's how this tasty snack can support a healthy cardiovascular system. Whole grain benefits. As a whole grain food, popcorn is rich in fiber, which has been shown to help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. The soluble fiber in popcorn can help remove excess cholesterol from the body, while the insoluble fiber promotes healthy digestion and regular bowel movements. Nutrient profile. Popcorn is a good source of several nutrients that are essential for heart health, including magnesium, potassium, and vitamin B6. These nutrients play crucial roles in regulating blood pressure, maintaining healthy blood vessels, and supporting proper heart function. Low in unhealthy fats. When prepared without excessive amounts of butter or oil, popcorn is a low-fat snack option. This makes it a heart-healthy alternative to many other snack foods that are high in saturated and trans fats, which can contribute to the buildup of plaque in the arteries and increase the risk of heart disease. By incorporating popcorn into a balanced diet and lifestyle, you can take advantage of its heart-healthy benefits and potentially reduce your risk of cardiovascular issues like heart attacks, strokes, and high blood pressure. Popcorn as a gluten-free and whole grain option for individuals with dietary restrictions or preferences. Popcorn can be a versatile and nutritious choice. Here's how popcorn fits into gluten-free and whole grain diets. Gluten-free. Popcorn is naturally gluten-free, making it a safe and delicious option for those with celiac disease or gluten intolerance. This means that individuals following a gluten-free diet can enjoy popcorn without worrying about potential adverse reactions or cross-contamination. Whole grain. Popcorn is a whole grain food, meaning it contains all three parts of the grain kernel: the bran, germ, and endosperm. Whole grains are an excellent source of fiber, vitamins, minerals, and other beneficial plant compounds. Incorporating popcorn into your diet can help you meet the recommended daily intake of whole grains, which has been linked to a reduced risk of various chronic diseases. Versatility. Popcorn's neutral flavor and crunchy texture make it a versatile ingredient that can be easily incorporated into a variety of dishes and recipes. Whether you're looking for a gluten-free snack, a topping for salads or soups, or a crunchy addition to trail mixes, popcorn can be a delicious and nutritious option. By choosing popcorn as a gluten-free and whole grain snack, you can enjoy a tasty treat while also meeting your dietary needs and preferences. How to choose and prepare healthy popcorn. To fully benefit from the nutritional advantages of popcorn, it's essential to choose and prepare it in a healthy manner. Here are some tips to help you make the most of this tasty snack. Choose high-quality popcorn kernels. Look for popcorn kernels that are fresh, non-GMO, and free from additives or preservatives. High-quality kernels will yield a better flavor and texture when popped. Opt for air-popped or lightly oil-popped varieties. Air-popped popcorn is the healthiest option, as it contains no added oils or fats. If you prefer a bit of oil, use a minimal amount of a healthy oil like avocado or coconut oil for popping. Avoid excessive butter, salt, or unhealthy toppings. While a small amount of butter or salt can enhance the flavor of popcorn, it's best to avoid excessive amounts or unhealthy toppings like processed cheese or caramel sauce, which can significantly increase the calorie and fat content. Experiment with healthy toppings. Instead of relying on butter and salt, try experimenting with healthy toppings like herbs, spices, nutritional yeast, or a light drizzle of olive oil for added flavor. Portion control. While popcorn is a relatively low-calorie snack, it's still important to practice portion control. Stick to recommended serving sizes, around 3 cups popped, to avoid overconsumption. By following these tips, you can enjoy the delicious taste and health benefits of popcorn without compromising your nutritional goals. Conclusion. Incorporating popcorn into a balanced diet. As we've explored throughout this video, popcorn is a surprisingly nutritious snack that offers a wealth of health benefits. From its fiber content and antioxidant properties to its potential impact on weight management, digestion, anti-aging, and heart health, popcorn is a versatile and nourishing addition to any balanced diet. To fully reap the benefits of popcorn, it's essential to incorporate it into a well-rounded and varied diet that includes a variety of whole foods, fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Popcorn should be enjoyed as a complement to a balanced lifestyle, rather than as a sole source of nutrition. If you're ready to embrace the surprising health benefits of popcorn, why not start by trying out some new popcorn recipes or experimenting with healthy toppings? Remember, small changes can lead to big improvements in your overall well-being. Visit our website for more inspiration and tips on incorporating this tasty snack into your daily routine. By making popcorn a part of your regular snacking routine, you can indulge in a delicious treat while nourishing your body with essential nutrients and supporting various aspects of your health. So, grab a bowl of freshly popped kernels, and let the journey towards a healthier you begin.